Oh putain, Mani!
Allez, un comme plus haut, là il y a un problème. Oh putain, la voiture va avoir de la lumière. Hop. On déjà le coffre. On va avoir le feu, un problème. Un petit d'eau.
Southern France has again been hit with heavy rain, thunderstorms and flooding after a similar deluge just days ago. The equivalent of 2 months' rain is said to have fallen in 2 hours in one area of Gard. 23 people had been rescued from their vehicles by firefighters by midday on Tuesday, according to a report by local media outlet La Provence. A white water rescue team was also deployed towards Nimes and 3 helicopters were on standby near the city. However, an earlier red weather alert for the Gard was eventually lifted and was replaced with an orange alert for thunder, rain and flooding which remains in place. For example, in the Gard department, part of the roof collapsed in the Intermarché shopping center in the commune of Quissac. In the commune of Nimes, a restaurant wall collapsed in the Carrefour Nimes Étoile shopping center. More than 2 meters of water was reported in some of Agen's streets and more than 300 firefighters were deployed. According to the observatory Calvisson, over the course of this morning there had been 19,000 lightning flashes recorded in the Gard, with 1,300 in Nimes alone. Several roads in Milhaud near Nimes have also been flooded in the town of Vergès. Residents reported hailstones of 4 centimeters in diameter falling earlier this morning. Roads have also been flooded around Vauvert, Saint-Gilles, Sommie'res, Calvisson and Quissac, with several bridges submerged under the Vidourle river, which has risen by 35 centimeters.